Are we keeping a pace with the change? Are you ready? Yes. Friends, this has been shown by the two governments in the country. One in Telangana and another is in Delhi. So this is the mantra for success. Unless you keep a pace with the change, you cannot deliver, you cannot be successful. Good evening, Hyderabad. Good evening, Telangana. I'm not getting the voice. Good evening. Honorable Minister for IT and Panchayat Raj, Sri K.T. Ramarao Garu, young and dynamic personality of Telangana state. Mr. K. Ishwar, General Manager of Central Bank of India, Hyderabad zone, which comprises of 3 states, Telangana, Andhra and Karnataka. My colleague, my guide, a person behind my success, Major Rakesh Gulati, National Vice President, Dr. Ghisulal Jain, Chairman, Hyderabad Chapter, Ms. Aparna, Secretary, Hyderabad Chapter, my invitees, my well-wishers, my guide, my friends from PR fraternity, advertising, academics, and my cousins from the media. Once again, good evening to all of you. Friends, this topic was decided after long deliberations to create awareness among the minds of the people. Are we changing? Are we ready to take India to the #1 position in the world? I find, many times I'm convinced, yes, of course, we will, we can. Provided we should have zeal, enthusiasm, and a feeling to do something. With this, as I told you, if we don't keep a pace with the change for which we have organized this program, a platform to create awareness, what can do, what Modi has done, how he has been successful because of this media, social media. Everybody is aware of that. How our state government of Telangana has been successful by using this social media. Connect, communication. I request all of you to support the cause of social media. I have been instructed not to talk much about social media. I am not expert on that. There is a panel discussion on this also. I would like to tell in a nutshell about the Public Relations Council of India. People feel, the people, the PR professionals, they just eat, wine and dine. It's not like that, friends. PR is a thing. Knowingly or unknowingly, we observe each and every step of our life. We don't give importance to that. My request to all of you to please give the importance to PR. I'm telling you, the success will follow you. You need not to follow the success. This is a mantra for public relations, for success. I have observed myself. I have experienced what the public relations can do in the life of a person. To get a good food in the house, we put lot of butter to the wife. Are you not? Are you not? No, he will put, not you. So friends, importance is important. How we take it, PR. PR is still a very neglected sector. But I would like to tell you, this PR industry is growing by leaps and bounds, and the turnover in this field of public relations is more than 1200 to 1500 crores. more than 8 to 10,000 professionals are, more than 1,50,000 professionals are busy with PR, and the industry is growing by every year by more than 8 to 10,000 people being inducted in PR. This is a wonderful organization. And be PR professional. We do organize the program related to various industries from time to time to create the awareness and to keep the communication continue, which is the order of the day. The Public Relations Council of India, this was founded in 2004 at Bangalore when Mr. M.B. Jairam, he thought the concept, how to be in a position to create the awareness among the people. With few professionals, keeping a larger part in the mind at national level. As of now, we have got 23 chapters under me throughout the country, and more than 8,000 members, strong team of PR professionals are there. We have organized a number of programs, and this is a PR professional body for academicians, PR professionals, media, advertising, and I go one step ahead of that. That each and every individual of us is a PR man. So we have to use PR and get the things done. Some people talk about the lobbying. They take it in a very bad sense. Recently there was a case about Neera Radia. Nothing wrong if you lobby with ethical things, with ethics. In America, in European countries, nothing moves without PR. In American Parliament, each and every parliamentarian, they've got a PR professional with them. Here, still, the PR profession is very young. Though we used to observe the PR profession from the ages, when the kings used to want to disseminate the information to the people by beating the drum. I take you to that time. Now the things are changing. As I told you, unless we keep a pace with the change, we cannot develop, we cannot take our country to newer heights. This is, I also invite the professionals, those who are interested to grow, industrialists, small businessmen, to learn the techniques to communicate what they are, what is their profession, how they are developing, how they are manufacturing the things, how to increase the business, how to develop the image. These all things we do under the banner of Public Relations Council of India. Once again, I am very glad that our minister is with us, and he is a young and dynamic person. Sir, on behalf of Public Relations Council of India and Hyderabad chapter, I assure you, in whatsoever way the Telangana government wants our services, I am available to you at 24 hours. Our PRC organization is available to you, sir. With this, are you paving a way for tomorrow? I am not getting the voice. I am little. Are you paving the way for tomorrow? Yes. Then tomorrow is yours. Use it. Take it. Thank you very much.